Hello kids, today we are going to learn all the shapes. Okay? Okay. Oh, first, no, 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 yes. This is star. This is pink star. Wow. No, 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 yes. This is green heart. This is green heart. Wow! Amazing! No! 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 Yes! This is semicircle. This is semicircle. Wow! No! 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 Yes! This is triangle. This is red triangle. Wow! No! 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 Yes! This is cross. This is cross. Blue cross. Wow. Yes. No. No. Yes. This is hexagon. This is hexagon. Red hexagon. Let's put it here. No. Yes. This is circle. This is yellow circle. Wow. Yes. This is oval. This is oval. This is blue oval. Wow. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe.